Pasadena Humane has become a beacon of hope for animals displaced by the devastating Los Angeles wildfires, taking in over 300 pets affected by the disaster. These include many suffering from burns and other injuries. Among the rescued are a white dog found covered in burns and ash, a cat with burns on its face and body, and a bird with singed tail feathers. These animals are receiving life-saving care in the shelter's ICU, including pain management, wound treatment, fluids, and oxygen. To accommodate the influx, Pasadena Humane is collaborating with other California shelters to transfer healthy animals, creating space for pets impacted by the fires. The organization is also urging evacuees to bring their pets with them rather than leave them behind. For those unable to keep their pets during evacuation, emergency boarding is available at Pasadena Humane. Small pets can also be taken to the Pasadena Civic Center, while larger animals like horses can be housed at the LA Equestrian Center. In addition to their direct care efforts, Pasadena Humane has asked residents to report injured wildlife or stray animals to their wildlife helpline or local animal control. The shelter is actively seeking donations to support its emergency response, including medical care and shelter resources for the animals in their care. As the Eaton fire continues to rage, having burned over 10,600 acres, firefighters and rescuers are working tirelessly to contain the blaze and protect lives. For those wishing to help, Pasadena Humane has made it easy to contribute through monetary donations, which will directly support their critical efforts to save and care for animals during this crisis. Every contribution makes a difference in providing these animals with the care, comfort, and safety they so desperately need.